Anyways, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I didn't film an intro for this second episode of my vlog that I'm doing, so I'm trying to film one right now.
Hey, don't mess.
Kelly, and my friends. So this video is just gonna be me getting inside my house, cleaning everything. It's not in order, but I'm trying to make it look clean as possible. So I hope to like it. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, comment,
Oh wow.
subscribe. So now I'm just gonna be fixing my groceries. This is just for now, and then there's other ones back there, and I'm just gonna be organizing them because I still haven't I haven't done anything. Like even my bed hasn't been set up yet. So I'm gonna finish the groceries, then I'm gonna see if I could start on my bed. So good morning guys. Today is the next day. I didn't really vlog the whole process because it took me a long time just to fix my bed, and the only thing that I have done is basically the bathroom. Let me see if I can show you. So yeah, I literally just have the bathroom done and my bed, and then some things in the kitchen. And then now I'm just gonna go make me some breakfast. Then I have to see if I could finish fixing the rest of the stuff because I don't have a chair to sit on. That's so sad. But I'm gonna go make me something to eat. One thing. So right now, I'm trying to see if I can build a nightstand.